Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you 3 ways to use Chebe powder for extreme hair growth. This is going to help you grow out your bald spot. If you're suffering from hair loss, alopecia, hair thinning, this is going to help you out. If this sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, grab a seat and let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trinovec. So in today's video I'll be showing you 3 ways I use Chebe powder with some other ingredients to boost my hair growth in the space of 3 months. If this one sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, from the beginning you saw the ingredient we'll be using. This is Chebe powder. Okay, this Chebe powder is originated from chard. It helps to strengthen your hair, it helps to retain hair length, and I'll be using cloves and rosemary in this recipe. I did a full video about this recipe, so please check out my channel so that you can see the full recipe. So I'm just showing you all how to make this and how to incorporate this in your hair regime for you to grow longer, faster hair growth. So I've mixed all the oils I use for this. I've mixed all of them together. Then I will separate the oil and move to the next step, which the next step will be making the Chebe butter. Okay, please keep on watching. So this is all we have, and you use this on your scalp. I'll also be showing you guys how to apply this on your hair. So I'll be taking my shea butter, melting the shea butter with the oils together, and when they have been melted and incorporated and mixed together and mixed up everything, then I will save the oil and we move to the preparation of the butter. So guys, my butter is almost ready. So the oil is ready. I'm going to save it and remove the other part I don't need. If you want to add that, you can, but me, I don't need it. So I'm just going to whisk all this together. After whisking it, I will transfer this in my application container, and I will show you all how to apply this on my hair. So the next step we'll be going to is how to do Chebe hairspray. So please keep on watching. So for the Chebe hairspray, you just add 2 tablespoons of Chebe powder, and you add half teaspoon of cloves, half teaspoon of rosemary, because you need more of the Chebe powder so that it is more powerful. Okay, so I added some essential oil inside, and then I allowed this to set overnight, and I strained it. So I'm just going to be showing you for demonstration purpose. I did a wash and go, and I'll just put in the video somewhere up in the card. Please do well to check it out. So I'm just going to be spraying the Chebe hairspray on my hair just like this. Why I spray it on my hair before I apply anything? Because I'm using this to hydrate my hair. So you can leave this spray on your hair, and it does not go bad, it does not smell. Some people say it smells, but me, I don't find any foul smell in the Chebe hairspray. Okay, so after that we'll apply our oils, and I'm leaving my ingredients in my oil so that it will infuse more. So if you want to save the ingredient out of your oils, you can do so. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. This really helped my hair to grow in length. It helped my bald spot to come out. Like guys, you know that I had like a big pouch on the front of my hair, but right now the hair is coming out. Like it's really coming out. I'm so excited about it. So far, I'm going to be applying the butter also on my hair. This butter melts so well into your hair. It's not a kind of butter that you have to rub it too much before it melts. Not so immediately you take a little bit of this, it goes a long way because it melts so well into your hair. So don't forget the ends of your hair because those parts also need moisture and all that. So after I finish doing this, I'm going to braid my hair and allow it to air dry. I'll do this all over my hair, then I'll allow my hair to air dry, and I'm good to go. My hair don't smell. I've been using this for the past 3 months now, and I am seeing amazing results. So from the beginning of the video, my hair right now is reaching me on the lower part of my lips. So I'm so excited. I decided to share it with you all. So guys, this could be the end of the video. This should be the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.